Hi and welcome to our channel. Today, we are about to embark on an intriguing journey into the world of fundamental analysis. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a finance student, or just someone curious about how the financial world operates, this video is for you. We'll take you step by step through this powerful method of evaluating a company's financial health and intrinsic value. So sit back, relax, and prepare to dive deep into the fascinating realm of fundamental analysis. Let's get started. Ever wondered how to evaluate a company's financial health? Well, there's a method for that, known as fundamental analysis. This technique measures a company's intrinsic value by examining related economic and financial factors. It's a bit like being a detective, hunting for clues about a company's well-being. This should not be confused with technical analysis, which focuses on statistical trends. The key difference? While technical analysis is about patterns and charts, fundamental analysis is a deep dive into a company's financial health. Fundamental analysis is like being a detective, hunting for clues about a company's financial well-being. So, what are these clues we are looking for in fundamental analysis? Well, it all boils down to understanding a company's financial stability and potential for growth. This is done by examining key aspects of the company's financial reports and industry conditions. Firstly, we look at company earnings. These figures tell us how profitable a company is. Then, we examine the balance sheet, which reveals the company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. This helps us understand the company's net worth. Next, we dive into the cash flow statements. These provide insights into the company's ability to generate cash to fund operations and expand. Finally, we consider the broader industry conditions. Is the sector thriving or in decline? What are the market trends? These elements combine to offer a comprehensive snapshot of a company's financial health. Investors often use this information to decide whether to buy, hold, or sell stocks. Each of these components acts as a piece of the puzzle, helping to create a complete picture of a company's financial health. Now, how can you as an investor use fundamental analysis? Well, let's walk through it. It all starts with identifying a company that piques your interest. Maybe it's a brand you love or a business you believe has great potential. Once you've picked a company, it's time to dive into their financial statements. You'll want to study their balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to understand their financial health. Are they profitable? Do they have a lot of debt? How's their cash flow? But don't stop there. Look at industry trends too. Is the industry growing? Are there new competitors on the horizon? And don't underestimate the power of news sources. They can provide valuable context and insights, helping you make informed decisions. Remember, fundamental analysis is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process, a continuous cycle of research, analysis, and decision-making. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Fundamental analysis is your magnifying glass to scrutinize a company's intrinsic value. It's not a one-and-done deal, but an ongoing process that demands your time and attention. You've got to put on your detective hat and dive deep into the financial health, examining financial statements, and keeping up with news sources. So, next time when you wonder about a company's financial health, remember, fundamental analysis is your detective tool. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this journey into the world of fundamental analysis. We hope this guide has given you a solid foundation to start your own financial investigation. Remember, the market might be a puzzle, but with the right tools like fundamental analysis, you're well on your way to putting the pieces together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us to create more content like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our informative videos. Until next time, keep investigating, keep learning, and happy investing.